Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something huge: how you can use artificial intelligence to totally transform your productivity at work. Let's get right into it. All right, first things first, let's talk about what I call the modern work squeeze. Does it feel like everything at work is just moving at lightning speed? The expectations just keep getting higher and higher, right? It's a pressure I think we all feel. So, does this ring a bell? That constant feeling like you have to deliver things faster and faster, with deadlines that just seem to get shorter every single week. And it's not just about the speed. The amount of work, the sheer volume of it, is just exploding. It feels like it's piling up everywhere, on our desks, in our inboxes, everywhere. And then, on top of all that, think about this. How much of your precious time is just gone, eaten up by those boring, repetitive tasks? The kind of work that just sucks the life out of you and keeps you from doing the stuff that really matters. Look, if you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are not alone. This is just the reality of work today. But here's the good news. What if I told you there's a much, much smarter way to work? And that smarter way? It involves bringing a new kind of partner on board. Let me introduce you to your new productivity co-pilot, AI. Now, forget all the sci-fi stuff you've seen in movies. When we talk about AI in the workplace, we're talking about a super practical tool, something that's here to chop through all that repetitive work, make decisions a whole lot simpler, and most importantly, free you up to focus on the big picture stuff that actually makes a difference. This right here, this is the shift we're talking about. It's all about moving away from being bogged down by manual, day-to-day tasks and moving towards using smart, technology-powered methods. Honestly, it's a total game changer for how you work. Okay, so what does this all actually look like in practice? Let's break it down. Let's see how this big idea turns into real, practical skills that you can start using like tomorrow. When you start using AI, you unlock this whole new toolbox of abilities. Think about it. You can generate brand new ideas just by giving it a topic. It can take a huge, dense report and spit out a perfect summary in seconds. You'll be able to organize your tasks way more efficiently, get support for tough decisions. Basically, you'll spend less time on the boring stuff and see the quality of your work go way, way up. And building this AI-powered workflow isn't magic. It's a process, a really clear one, actually. First, you'll analyze how you're working now to see where the time is going. Then, you'll match those tasks with the right AI tools. After that, it's all about learning how to talk to the AI, creating effective prompts. And finally, you get to track just how much more productive you've become. So what does this toolkit actually contain? Well, we're talking about AI for the stuff you do every single day. AI that helps you write emails and draft documents, AI for sorting out messy data, even AI for managing your schedule and helping your team collaborate better. This is AI for the real world. And this is so important. The whole point here isn't just to learn some new software. The real aim is to build your confidence to use these amazing tools responsibly and to really strengthen your productivity in everything you do at your job. Okay, so how do you actually learn all this? Really make it stick? The secret is active, hands-on training, not just theory, but doing. And we've got a proven way to do it. It starts with short, easy-to-follow demos from a trainer. Then you get your hands dirty, practicing with real tasks you'd actually do at work. We'll have group discussions, look at case studies from workplaces right here in Asia, and you'll get step-by-step guidance with instant feedback. This is how you really learn. So you might be thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but is this really for me, for my job? That's a great question. Let's talk about who this course is really for. Honestly, this is for just about everyone. It's designed for officers, executives, and supervisors. It's for any staff member who's drowning in work or stuck with repetitive tasks. It's perfect for teams getting ready for a digital transformation. And really, it's for anyone who just wants to be more productive and stay ahead of the curve. At the end of the day, it all boils down to one simple, powerful idea. It's time to stop working harder and start working smarter. This is your chance, your opportunity to take this revolutionary technology and turn it into your own personal superpower. So the only question left is, are you ready?